Hey guys, here's the plan. Me and my bestie, Emma Snyder, are gonna spend 24 hours in my car, Joe. Let's do it, go Hokies. What's up guys? I'm here with Emma and we're gonna do 24 hours in our car, in my car. So today, we just got in like a couple minutes ago. It's 9:19. So it's 9:19 and we are gonna be here for 24 hours. We're gonna check in like every hour. Right now, I think we're gonna go to Sonic. Yeah. But we're gonna be sleeping in the car. That's obvious.
Frozone? Oh.
Frozone?
I just read Frozen.
Love him.
Where is my super suit?
Cookies and cream.
Oh my gosh, just make. Okay. What do you want? What size?
Small.
Hi, could I have a small Oreo milkshake and a small Snickers bar milkshake? Thank you so much. No, it's okay. Thank you, you too. Update, it's pouring rain, so I don't know how we're gonna like crack our windows if we're just gonna suffocate and be really hot probably. We got our milkshakes. It's 10:00.
Where's the camera?
We'll check in with you in like an hour. We've only been in the car for 45 minutes. So we have an issue. There's a thing, a lever you can pull that pushes the seats down so we can like lay there, and I cannot find it. FaceTime little K-Sue. Please answer.
Oh my
Mom.
gosh, Cameron. So right now, she's trying to figure out how to put the trunk seat down. Me look at the manual, which is a novel. I don't even know where to begin.
Yep, girl, figured it out. Home slice. Oh, hey.
It's the character from SpongeBob. The little plankton.
Oh! What if this just came down and cut us in half?
Grey's Anatomy.
Hey guys, we're an hour and a half in and we're doing our first bathroom break. Okay, we'll do 5 minutes.
Yeah.
5 minutes is starting now. That was so quick. You still have 3 minutes.
3, 2, 1. Update. She has 4 minutes left. I have nothing else to say.
We did it.
My ankle.
Hello.
11:18.
Tomorrow.
Well, good morning, guys. It's 7:50. 7:52. Okay, we're gonna start our bathroom breaks. Go. I can't move. Here she comes. Good job.
I couldn't lock the door. I pressed the wrong button.
It was locked.
Yeah. What? I look like a super wrestler. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, how are ya? Can you stop being dumb?
So I made it back.
Why does it not come out? Now we know we could officially live in our car safely.
I
If
know.
our families disown us,
Should we get Starbucks now?
yes.
Let's go Starbucks.
Drop.
I know what. Could I have 2 grande iced coffees with caramel and sugar? And that's all. Thank you. Hi, doing good. How are you? Oh, hi, got our drink. Dad, I can't go see my dog, and he's looking at us like, why aren't you coming to see me? I'm gonna cry. It's a little update. We're chilling at my house. It is 9:50. I have an orthodontist appointment. I'm thinking we set a timer for like 5 minutes. If I'm not back by then whatever time rolls over, I'll just stay in the car, actually. But Yeah. Due to lots of coffee, we have to pee. So it's 10:14 now. Okay, but we're gonna set the timer and I can go see my dog.
A few moments later.
How much time?
It went dark. We have 2
We
minutes.
have 2 minutes.
We should be like
We should
marathon
stretch.
runners. Yeah.
Mom!
A little bit of a sad story. The only eggs I had were hard boiled.
Oh.
I think that's fine.
That's okay.
But we got bacon and we got
Yum! That's still great. Thanks, Mom. Okay, we made it to the orthodontist. I have to do like a curbside check-in.
Yep. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I forgot to start the timer. Oops. We almost cried on the way here because we were listening to a song that's in Grey's Anatomy. It was really sad. I don't know if she's gonna make it. I definitely don't think she is. It's like hotter than a sauna in here. She has 1 minute left. She's definitely not gonna make it. Okay, now the stopwatch is on. So disappointed in her. Oh gosh, we just made complete eye contact. I hate that. That looks like dirt water. That's disgusting. We go to the same orthodontist, so that's the orthodontist right there, and I hate that. Uncomf. 7 minutes. Put your mask on, unlike Haley. 10 minutes have passed. I'm dying. Minute 11 without Haley. I'm getting quite lonely. She's back!
Oh my god.
You're back!
It took so long. I believe it. It's hot as crap in here.
I know, I was like, why is it not doing anything?
So we have a request of you.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I'm almost out of gas. So we can't get out of the car and get the gas. So do you want to drive with us and you put it in and I'll give you my card?
sure.
Time. We've been in here 14 hours.
Why can't you put
So, I went inside and, well, hold on. Haley needs to open the freaking gas tank. You need to open it. Hold the little thing. Oh, fancy. You pump it. What are you talking about? Whoa. We're $8 in now. We're almost done, so I can stop talking. Here we are. We're done. I did my part. I get to be featured on her YouTube channel again. Okay, we're back to Emma and Haley.
Hello. We're back. It is 12:24. So we are gonna go get some lunch. Her siblings brought us seltzer water, which is great because it's hot out here. And her mom brought us a cup of ice. So, love you, Melissa.
Her name is actually Vicky, but we think that she looks and acts just like Melissa from Dance Moms.
It's true. Hey, so we're at Chick-fil-A and the line is insane. It was very stressful getting out of Chick-fil-A.
His death was actually.
We literally drank like a bottle of water, a seltzer water, and now our Chick-fil-A drink. I'm about to explode. Yeah, exactly. Okay, we're giving ourselves 3 minutes. We're starting the timer now.
A few moments later.
Hi, world. It is now, what time is it?
2:10.
2:10, baby. We're kind of going crazy at this point.
Yeah, I think that Chick-fil-A people drugged us.
What's the time?
2:24.
2:24. Okay, guys. It is now 3:18.
We just made a YouTube video on my channel.
Yes, we just recorded a video on our channel. We did a little Q&A. You should check it out. I'll put the link to her channel in my description. We just came to Emma's house and her mom hooked us up.
I texted her and I was like, hey, can you get some snacks? When we come by, she was like, yeah, sure, what do you want? I was like, what do we have? And then she leaves me on red and she gives us this.
Her Colin came in to see if she wants to join us.
She lives all the way across town, so we're really just looking for a reason to drive over there.
Yeah, pretty
Hey, what's up? How
what she's doing. What you doing, Cayman? What you doing?
What you doing?
I didn't want to
I don't even want to hear it.
To St. John.
St. John Lutheran Church. Howdy.
Should I call Macy? She hung up. Like, that was way too quick. About time. Smalls!
Hey, sorry.
Where are you? What are you doing?
I'm at my house.
Do you want to come be in our car? That sounds so weird.
Sure? Yeah, my mom said it's fine.
Okay, bet. Okay, we're at St. John Lutheran, like right by me.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Bye! I said, so we're at St. John Lutheran's church.
Okay, well, we're gonna go get Macy. It's 4:35. When we get there, it'll probably be like 5. So.
Yeah, unless we speed. Okay, so we picked up Macy, and yeah, that's about it. We're gonna go to Walmart.
This whole time, I had a $5 bill. Bro.
Eventually.
Just find something for $3.
And vlog it.
And vlog it.
You're gonna hang out with Macy. Have a good time.
I'm in Walmart and I'm trying to find something for freaking $3. I have no idea what I'm gonna get. But, oh, I can get a t-shirt. Oh gosh, no, that's too much. What the heck? I get them something really, really useless that they can never use. That would be like really funny.
I wonder how she's doing.
People are looking at me really strangely. It's kind of funny. I kind of forgot where we parked, so this is gonna be interesting.
So Macy's got us
Baby food and under budget. Oh, okay. It was a total of $1.26. This is like applesauce.
Gotta like slurp it. Can you?
I'm trying to. I cannot do it. Come on.
Hi.
Hi. Carl and I have been in the car for 48 hours now.
Haha.
Why are you guys doing this?
To get Haley more subscribers.
Say hi to the camera, Cassie.
Hi, camera.
Bye. Thanks
Bye,
for getting us
Mason.
applesauce.
Or smalls.
Guys, it's 6:37. 6:38.
Okay, I really have to pee. Like really badly. Like I'm about to pee. Ready? Go. Okay.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Go.
Oh my gosh.
Oops.
I can't even stand, bro. This is not good.
Why are you glowing? Okay, so we looked up restaurants that are near my house. Then we're gonna do a number generator and count down. And if we don't like it, then you okay? Then we're just gonna do it again. Okay, number generator 6.
6. Okay, what's the 6th one?
Okay, so 1, 2, 4.
Please don't be
5,
Hardee's.
6 Hardee's. Ew.
No
Okay,
Burger
2, which was I think
I think it was Bojangles.
Taco Bell.
Bet.
Taco Bell. Okay,
Are you okay with that?
I'm dope.
Thank you.
We got some Taco Bell and some bajadas.
Some
Taco Bell. That works out great. My head up like poop.
This is what we're doing now. Look who came to visit us. They brought their new kitten. It's Sour Patch Kids. And want to hold her? Hi guys, update. They're still here, which I love. They're giving us entertainment.
Lydia fell off a skateboard.
Lydia fell off a skateboard. Insert video now.
Oh my god!
Lydia, are you okay? 9:09. Guys, we have 6 minutes. Did it! Yes! I can't believe we actually stayed here for 24 hours. The extra 15 minutes that came from the orthodontist, I'm counting it as me driving to Emma's house, dropping her off, and coming back, because I didn't get back to my house until like 9:50. So I think it's fine. It was so fun, and this video is so funny, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, deuces!